There.
Right?
Not raining cats and dogs, though, this morning, right, Emma?
No, I mean, of course, tomorrow morning and Wednesday morning will be a little bit more different, but today is going to be mostly dry as you're stepping outside. There's really just need for a coat. That's really about it because it is still going to be very chilly. We do still have those northerly winds in the area. So downtown camera, all part of Wade's RV Weather Camera Network. It is quiet right now. Like I mentioned, no weather delays that could impact this morning drive, but it is going to be chilly. So we do have temperatures in the upper 20s, 30 right now in Tulsa. As we look towards your afternoon, we're mainly looking at those overcast skies. So when those kiddos are heading off to school, it's going to be about in those 30s. And then on the way home, thankfully, we're still looking at mostly dry conditions, but temperatures are going to stick in those mid 40s with the return of some southeasterly winds. It's not until later this afternoon and evening where we start to see a little bit more of some rainfall moving into the area. It does look a little bit more delayed now, but it will continue through the overnight hours. So temperatures will still continue to stay in those mid 40s, lower 40s for our southern counties, because this is the area that will start to see the rain first later this afternoon, and then it'll slowly start to move its way further towards the north into our location. So Tulsa is not looking mainly until your drive home where we'll start to see a little bit more of that rain, but it's still going to be overcast across the area. So let's look at this because we have two rounds moving through. The first one's going to move in, like I mentioned, today. It's going to happen later on this afternoon, starting further towards the south eventually as it moves further towards the north. And what we're watching is some areas of some freezing rain. There'll be very small pockets across the area for Tuesday morning, and then we'll get a little bit of a break by Tuesday afternoon before that second round moves through going into your Wednesday. This is where I would be most concerned for Wednesday's drive because we do have that chance for some freezing rain that does include some accumulation of some ice. That's not what we like to see, but we'll continue to monitor that as we get closer.